Religion of Ease 3. A narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7129, advises that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, would choose the right time when discussing religious issues with his companions, may Allah be pleased with them, as he did not want to overburden or bore them. Even though a Muslim has no excuses but to fulfill their obligatory duties and learn and act on the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as this is the practical proof of one's claim to faith, nonetheless, each Muslim should act according to their mental and physical strength, and treat others according to their mental and physical strength, in order to ensure they themselves do not get fed up, nor cause others to become fed up of Islam either. It is important to understand each person has been created unique, and given different blessings and gifts. For example, some have the strength to perform much voluntary fasts while others do not. Some have the mental strength to spend the day studying the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, whereas others do not. Some can happily discuss religious issues all day with others, while others just do not have the attention or mental strength to do so. This does not mean those who do not possess the strength to do these things are bad Muslims, as Allah, the Exalted, will judge each person according to their potential, strength, intention, and the deeds they performed. This discussion means that Muslims should not be too hard on themselves or others when it comes to striving on voluntary religious matters. A Muslim should strive to improve bit by bit to ensure they do not get fed up and give up completely. If a Muslim has been granted the strength to strive in voluntary religious matters, they should praise Allah, the Exalted, as none but Him has granted this to them. Understanding this will prevent the deadly sin of pride, an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell. This is warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. One must make things easy for others, especially children, so that they understand that Islam is a simple and easy religion, with a few obligations, all aimed to aid them in achieving success and peace in both worlds.